Easter Bunny's coming to town, and you know what that means? Valley Grocery Stores want you to feed the Easter Bunny at a great price.
If you shop at Fry's, grab some red seedless grapes for just 74 cents a pound. And if you need some meat on your bones, then grab some boneless, skinless chicken breasts for just $1.99 a pound. Also, stock up on eggs this time of the year because of Easter. Fry's has a dozen eggs for just 99 cents. Need an avocado? Head over to Bash's this week because you can buy 2 for just $1. Or how about some corn? Bash's has 3 ears for just $1. Bash's also has a smashing deal on assorted pork chops for $1.17 a pound. Safeway shoppers, you will score a deal on milk. They have 1 gallon of milk on sale for $1.79, and you can buy 2 at that price. And if you plan on shopping at Safeway on April 13th, you'll be able to buy a spiral ham for just $1.15 a pound, and you can buy 1 at that price. Sprout shoppers go crazy over this deal. They have tropical mangoes for just 49 cents each. Or how about some strawberries? You can pick up 1 pound for $1.50. And if you're feeling a little chicken, well, Sprouts also has all-natural boneless, skinless chicken breasts for just $1.99 a pound.
Now, that's just a glimpse of a few of the Valley grocery stores. When you get your grocery store ads in, make sure to check them, make a list, and don't forget those coupons. I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.